Hi, Keto friends. I hope that you're having a beautiful Sunday. Oh, what a blessing for it to be Sunday. Gotta love Sundays. It's the day that we worship our good Lord, and it is a day of rest. So, this video is going to be telling you about our 30-day IF one meal a day challenge. That is our first My Keto Journey challenge that we've done in the group. So I'm really excited, guys. I'm really excited to get you all on board. For those who wish to do it, this is not a thing that is you have to do. It's only if you want to do. If you'd like to participate in the 30-day challenge of one meal a day, please comment in the comments below, tag your name. We do have a post that is around in the group. It's called It's Time for a Challenge. If you want to post there, I will be posting my updates on that thread, and I will be mentioning my weight loss in there and how I'm passing my time during the one meal a day challenge. Now we do have a few people on board. We have Darlene and we have Raina, and actually it came about this one meal a day challenge that Raina had lost 14 pounds in a week doing IF. She had a stomach bug as well, so that could have been part of it. But the fact that she didn't have much of an appetite, she lost 14 pounds in 1 week, which is remarkable. I have never heard of anyone ever accomplishing that. I hate that it came through sickness, but it has been wonderful for her to get off 14 pounds in a week. And a lot of people will say that that is unsafe, that is unhealthy. Everyone's body is different. We all either can drop like 2 pounds a week or 2 pounds a month or 10 pounds a month. Everyone's different, so no comparing. But it actually came about the Darlene and Raina and I had been talking about omitted fasting, which is one meal a day. It's a 24-hour fast. Your one meal a day will be during dinner time, and you can eat anything you want as long as it's keto. Try and fit all your macros in, which you're probably not going to fit all your macros in. So just try your best. And what we're doing is we're feeding our body at a certain time each day, and then the rest of the time we are fasting. Our body is going into a fasting state. So our bodies either need to be fed or they need to be fasted. So when they're being fed to store fat so that ketones can get in our blood and that we can start um, burning fat with those ketones. Now, what admitted fasting is, or one meal a day fasting is it's when you skip breakfast and you skip lunch, or you skip one meal and then you do two meals, or like Rainer and Darlene and myself are doing one meal, so we'll be eating at dinner time. We'll be eating as much as we can in the hours between, I eat between 4 to 7. Sometimes I eat up until 7 because I feel hungry. If I eat earlier, my schedule is different to everyone else's schedule, but I suggest 7 o'clock be the cutoff time because digestion and whatnot. But if you're not able to do that, just stick to the time that your your eating schedule is. Everyone's different with their hours at work and with family and whatnot. But I will tell you this, that I hadn't even like started yet, and I have lost 3 pounds. The scale actually moved I was so excited because it hasn't moved in a long time. I mean, I think it's over the 3 months it hasn't really moved. It's sort of gone up and down like a yo-yo. And I think that is because of medications, lack of exercise, because I've been suffering with RA symptoms as well, tiredness, adrenaline fatigue, that kind of thing. But now that I'm in fasting mode and my body's in fasting state, that my cells are regenerating, I'm resetting, this is a reboot for me, and this is what this is going to be for the people who do the 30-day challenge. Is it's going to be a reset, a reboot, it's going to be a kickstart to get into ketosis again and just get the body revved up to be burning that fat. So we will be putting our results in that post that I mentioned in the 30-day challenge. So today all I've had is I'm going on my 4th coffee. I don't have any creamers. I don't have any heavy whipping cream. I'm just having the Tirani syrup, which is fine. You can have up to 1 teaspoon of sugar, like sweetener, in your coffee as well, just as long as it's 1 in the whole fasting stage. You can have coconut oil in your coffee. You can have MCT oil in your coffee, either the non-GMO MCT oil or the brain octane MCT oil, any kind of extracts that you like in your coffee. If you don't drink coffee, you can do tea, you can do flavored waters, you can do your electrolyte drinks with your salt and lemon and cucumber water, lime, add a little bit of lime in there. You can do your bone broth. You can do chicken broth as well, as long as it's like chicken bone broth. It can be either organic or not. You can make your own. It can be powdered. There are a number of different ways that you can get bone broth in. It would be about half a cup between each meal. So if you're hungry in the morning, you could have half a cup of bone broth in the morning and then half in the afternoon. But yeah, you can have iced tea as long as it's en-sweet iced tea. And like I said, just keep those sweeteners down to 1 tablespoon throughout the day. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, but we're all going to get there. And what's going to pass our time is, for me, it was sleep. I've slept a lot today because I've had a lot of joint pain today with my RA. So I've slept up to about 1 o'clock, actually. I had gotten up early. I was up at 2 a.m. and then I went back to bed at 4 a.m. My sleep is just so messed up. So that has really helped me burn the fat with sleep. If you can get 8 hours of sleep, that is perfect. You can be doing yoga, you can be doing Pilates, you can be exercising, getting out there and exercising, getting out there for a great brisk walk, keeping up that water, keeping up the 8 glasses a day of water. You could be colouring in a colouring book, in an adult colouring book. I have a worship colouring book, which I colour in every now and then, and I find that really relaxing. I read my prayer books, my everyday prayer books. I listen to sermons online. This is just what I do. Y'all are different. Spend time with your family. Spend time with your kids. Do finger painting with your kids if you've got little ones. Play-Doh. whatever they like to do, go to their baseball games, soccer games, tennis. You can still also exercise. You can still do cardio workouts while you're fasting. Just make sure that you keep hydrated with the water. But you will break that fast when it comes time for your one meal a day. So whatever time that you make dinner, then you can break your fast. So I'm counting down the hours as of right now. So it's 2 o'clock. So I've got 2 more hours until I can eat. I'm not exactly sure of what I'm gonna eat, but lately I've just been sort of haven't really been having much of an appetite, so I've been just making scrambled eggs and sausage patties that I buy from the store in the freezer section. Um, and that satisfies me. But I have made some fat bombs, the cheese the cheesecake, chocolate chip, uh, Keto fat bombs. So they're in there for me to munch on when it comes time for me to eat, and that will get my fat in. So this is great to be doing together because this is like really encouraging and really motivating each other. And sometimes it's really hard to be doing keto alone, and sometimes it takes others to do it with you. And this for me has really been like uplifting because I've kind of lost over time with the scales not moving, my inches not moving, and my RA kind of setting in with pain. I've kind of really lost that keto mojo. So having um, you guys on this challenge with me and with the others, it's really going to be great. I just know that we're going to see wonderful results. Like I said, I haven't even started yet, and I've lost 3 pounds. Um, and like any kind of pound or any loss is wonderful, even with inches. If you're losing inches, that's great. So here's to the 30-day challenge. If you want to sign up now, it's not too late. If you want to think about it for a few days and sign up later, that's fine. We will be starting today on the 8th of April, and we will be finishing on the 8th of May. And we'll be just keeping you updated on how we're feeling, what we're doing during the day to pass our time, and just be encouraging and motivating one another. Okay, so I really hope that you decide to join us. We would love to have you in this 30-day challenge. Take care, guys. Keto on. Bye.